you're looking for copyright or commercial free type, you know, images or text or, you know, any type of stuff for your printables or your KDP books, well, I want to share with you the Smithsonian Open Access website where I have gotten some of my commercial free and trademark free type public domain media. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to do a search. But first of all, let me tell you where you can access this. If you look up here at my URL bar or my search bar here, that si.edu/open access is where you'd want to go. You can go to the Smithsonian website. It will tell you, you know, like where you can go to explore, the Explore tab, and that's where you're going to find this information here. Okay, you can explore collections, and you know, I was searching by collection images. All right, so let's go ahead and click on, before I forget, I want to do open access media, which is the CC0, and that is in the part of the terms of use, which I will show you in just a second. But I want to do a quick search and just share with you where you know what you can find and what you're going to see and find. So I'm just going to do some search for some butterflies. Again, I did click the open access media CC0, and that will pull some images up that are right here. And there you have it. Look at these wonderful images. These all could be used in your KDP book or in your printables. And you can see, I mean, they have, you know, you can get links, you can download, you can print, all kinds of stuff. So what am I looking at here? You know, I'm looking at an image. This was in a book of some sort, you know, the artist, illustration. So that's all going to be categorized right here, you know, by the artist, the credit line, you know, the year, you know, the restrictions and rights, which again is a CC0, and, you know, different dimensions, so forth. So let me go ahead and scroll up. You can see over here the CC0 on the left-hand side. You can see a download arrow if I wanted to download this image, or, you know, if I wanted to, you know, do something else with it right here. You know, I can zoom in and get, you know, get some really good detail here, you know, to kind of see what I'd be looking at and looking for in this. So again, let's go back to the CC0. So I'm going to exit out of this. The CC0, which again is at the bottom left-hand corner. And I'm going to click on that. And you can see this media is in the public domain, free of copyright restrictions. You can copy, modify, and distribute this work without contacting the Smithsonian. For more information, visit the Smithsonian Terms of Use page. Okay, so yeah, I can use this in my KDP book. I can use this in my printables. I can modify it. I can distribute it. You know, it's all in the public domain. So let's go ahead and look at the terms of use page that I said we'd get to. And that is right here. If you ever had any questions, you can scroll, I believe, at the very bottom of the Smithsonian website where it says terms of use, and that will take you to this page as well. Feel free to definitely check out this page and read all the pertinent information that would help protect you if you did decide to use the images from this website. I'm not a trademark or copyright lawyer. I'm just a creator, but this sort of stuff is very important for you to be knowledgeable on. And one of the things that I do is I will take and definitely save the website link in a file someplace if I'm going to use these images. And that way, if I ever needed to, I could reference where I got the images and as well as the terms of use at the time that I had downloaded that. So, basically what I'm saying is create a little file or folder where you can copy and paste, the image, or not just the image, but as well as the terms of use and all the language that you used in your research to be able to use those images or content. Okay, so let's get back to the CC0. CC0, content marked with CC0 icon is made available under the Creative Commons. The content is not protected by copyright and may be used for commercial and non-commercial purposes without fee or copyright restrictions. And then you got of course, the however, where about third-party publicity or privacy, the commercial use. Again, there's a term of use page here. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you, some of the, free and open source, copyright free and commercial free, stuff that's out there that you can use in your KDP books or in your printables. I've used some of these images from the Smithsonian website, and I've been very happy with it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you got some better understanding of one, where you can get the stuff, one, and two, where you can check the terms of use and how to apply that, and then three, basically how to go about saving it. Like I said, write it down in a book, or even make a document, a Word document or something like that, and just copy that information. So that way you're protected. You got everything you need. So, all right, I hope you have a great day, and I will speak to you again very soon.